Why does a fully installed dashboard turn into a mess when you try to remove it instead of coming out as one complete piece like before? Once you see all the connection points between the dashboard and the car body, it all starts to make sense. The wiring harness in the operator's hands has to be routed from inside the cabin to the outside. At the same time, during installation, a worker in the front compartment has to pull on the harness, otherwise it will get pinched. Once the dashboard is in place, a rain cover panel is clipped on, then the harness bundle is removed, the front compartment wiring is secured, and 2 fixing screws are tightened. At this point, there are already 3 connection points between the dashboard and the car body in the front area. Before installing the dashboard, locating pins on both sides of the car body are also essential. They are tightened using an electronic wrench. Now back to the dashboard installation. Align it with the locating pins, push it into place, and secure it. The left side is done at the same time. After the robotic arm moves away, one more screw under the left locating pin needs to be tightened. Now there are 6 connection points between the dashboard and the car body. Next are the lower brackets on both left and right sides, also tightened with an electronic wrench. In addition, there are 5 wiring connections linking the dashboard to the car body. That makes 13 visible connection points in total. So trying to remove the entire dashboard as one complete piece is almost impossible. Do you think I missed any connections? Follow me for more car knowledge.